Hey guys, it's Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is Gaming with Ellapoochie, and we are playing Mega Rainbow Parker. And let's just get into it. Oh my gosh, that was quick. Are we supposed to go on these boats or what? Wait, maybe we're supposed to go on this boat? Okay, wait. Yeah. Wait, no, that's Roblox? Oh. Come on. We have to swim all the way there? Are you kidding me? This is disgusting blue water, and it's also changing colors. This is so bad. Oh god. Okay, let's go on to this next one. Okay, phew. I did not think that there was a checkpoint here. But there is I'm guessing this is the free box. Let's get into it. Yes it is. We're like on the line of the road. I don't think that you're supposed to be on the line of the road when you're driving, but oh, maybe you are. There's colors on the sides. Well, we still have plenty of time for this video, so okay. So we have to do. Okay, we could skip a stage, or we could also skip. But I don't have a lot of Robux. I used all my Robux. I only have 3 now, and I had 3 before, and my dad says that's like my lucky number or something. Okay, jump, jump. Okay, that's easy. Whoa, jump. Whoa. Okay, alright. It's getting scary, folks. Alright. Jump. Okay. Jump. Okay, that was good. Alright. Jump. Some of this is easy, some of this is hard. Whoa. Alright, I'm just gonna do like the all whoa spots that are hard. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Alright, there we go. Did you see that, you guys? Oh my gosh. Wait, how can I look so fast? That's weird. My gosh, this is crazy. Ugh, these are like my nightmares. If I am stuck on this stage, man. Skip stage. I might have to skip stage. I only have 3 left, and it's like 200 something. Oh my gosh. Jump! Okay, ready? I'm gonna start doing a mega jump. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Jump! Alright, yes, that was a good mega jump. Jump! Yes, that was a good mega jump. Jump! Yes, that was a good mega jump. Jump! Oh! That was not a good mega jump. Alright, I'm not gonna talk, and I will tell you when I finish it. Come on. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? You guys. If seriously. Okay. No, are you kidding me? Alright. Oh, this is so hard. My dad is going to try to is going to try, so let's do it. Okay. Okay. Whoa, how'd you just die like right in the middle? That's weird. Oh! Cancel. I don't want to buy skip to the end for. Oh no. No, skip. Stage. This one. Oh! That's the one. That's not the one. Oh, that's the one. Okay, these are. Okay. Yes. That was all me. Okay, wow. That was not my dad. That was all me. I did not let him have a chance. I really wanted to try to do it by myself. So, and I did it! So, give this a like and subscribe to my channel, Gaming with Ellapoochie, if you thought that I could make that all a long way. And oh wait, it's not going? It is. Yeah, but it's at 7. Okay, so oh no. I just died. Yes, but I did get wait. No, I didn't get the checkpoint. No, I didn't. Oh wait, yeah, I did. Wait, but I just went into this big mouth, and was I supposed to go into this or no? Okay. Alright, so let's keep going till the end of this video. Okay, let's get the checkpoint. We could either go this way or this way because it has 2 arrows. Wait, no, but there's like the little spots here. Alright, I think that we're supposed to. Okay, Jeep. Okay, the Jeep. Yes, we need the Jeep. Yes, the Jeep is the free one. Alright. Well, looks like that we're gonna be driving today. We just cut through. I want to cut through. Come on. I thought we could cut through the doors. Wait, if we jumped out of the car, could we? I wonder if we could. I wonder. People that are going back are probably like on that road, but probably nobody wants to go back because oh, their hard work. I've never seen this in an obby like park or whatever. But the building in this little park here. Okay. Almost done driving. Whoa, I almost. Whoa, I'm gonna crash into a car probably on this side. on that side because I'm touching the other one. Okay, now I'm not. Okay, alright. Touch the other one. That will make it perfect. Whoopsie, whoopsie, whoopsie. Whoa!
Oh,
You guys! How the heck was that going? Wait, okay.
have you been here?
Oh, I don't think I have. I've been here. Wait, what do you mean? I can't turn my. Whoa, that was crazy. Up ahead, there's like these monsters. Whoa, how? See, there's like a snail and stuff. Zoom out. Okay, zoom in. Oh my god, cancel. No. Okay, this is a hard. This is. This isn't very hard. This is kind of easy. Don't you guys think that it's easy? This could go on forever, but it disappears. Jump, 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 jump. Why are you stuck? Jump, 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 jump. Okay. Keep jumping because I don't want them to disappear.
What if you run? Can you run? Get the checkpoint.
Yeah.
You only have 1 minute.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry that we didn't finish this, but we're going to say bye for now, but not forever. So, subscribe, like, and see you next time. Bye!